Adobe Acrobat Pro is a great tool to work with PDF documents. So over here you can see that once I open up Adobe Acrobat Pro, you can see that I have a recent file box right here. So if you have any recent file that's open, it'll show up right here. If I were to go on to sent items, you'll be able to see sent items. So if you mail your files to someone else, you can see it here. You can get all the Adobe Scan files over here on this pane right here, and you can access your storage through my computer. You can click on browse and open up any documents from over here. On the left side, there's also document cloud. So if there's anything in cloud, it'll show up over here. And if you want to add an account for your Box, Dropbox, OneDrive, or SharePoint account, you can actually add it from here so that it's easy for you to access the files. Besides this, you can go over here. On the top, there's the menu bar. There's the file menu where you can create PDF from file and so forth. You also have the edit where you got options to check spellings and everything. The navigation for viewing, windows, and finally help. Over here, in order to start working, you can go to tools. And over here, you can see that you get access to the tools in Adobe Acrobat. So you have create PDF, combine files, organize, edit, export, and so forth. And on the right side, you have access to the tools, which makes it easy for editing PDFs. So over here, you can see that there's this icon right here, a triangular icon. If you were to click on it, it'll contract and it'll hide the tools, as you can see. And if you were to click this again, this will appear back. So over here, now you can see that on the right side, there are some tools, but not all of them. So let's say I want to add something like index right here. So I can simply click on add and it'll pop up over here. And if I want to delete it, I can simply click this cross icon right here. I can do that with all of it. Send and track, close, just like that. So you can just have the ones which are important to you. So let's create a document. So I'm going to go over here into create a PDF. So I can simply click on that. And you can see that I can create single file, multiple file, web page, clipboard, and I have many options for this. So in my case, I'm just going to go for a blank page and click on create. Once I do that, you can see that I'm on the editing pane. And over here on the top, there are options for you to highlight and comment, as you can see. There's also viewing options for zooming in and out. On the left side, there's the page navigation. So if you have multiple pages, you'll actually see this. You can contract this by clicking on this icon right here. And you can expand this by clicking on this icon right here, the small triangular icon. And you have to click this, you'll get the bookmarks. And if you click this, you get the attachments right here. On the right side, again, you got this file. So if you were to click this, it'll contract. And you click this again, it'll expand just like that. So this is how the interface is of Adobe Acrobat Pro. So in the future lessons, we are going to see on how to use the navigation options and edit documents inside of Adobe Acrobat Pro. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.